ऑक्शन के डे 1 का एक्शन हो चुका है समाप्त और मेरे साथ है हमारे सीईओ सुहेल चंदौक। सुहेल, just one buy today.
Yep.
Was that the plan या हम कुछ और भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे?
Yeah, I think we expected one buy realistically. अगर 2 मिला आज तो वो बोनस रहा था. We obviously didn't get the second. We were so close. It's so frustrating when you're going back and forth. No one wants to keep going back and forth. But look, we had to go for every raider after that क्योंकि जो पैसा हमने बचा था on Rinku's bid, we were able to then look for a raider. Actually, raider आज के प्लान में नहीं था because we thought they would be too expensive for us given our purse and given the fact that we already have Ajit, Rohit, Zafar and Satish as well. So raider today was not in our plan, but because we saved money on Rinku in some sense, we allowed ourselves to chase a raider. So look, realistically we thought we would get one and we've come away with one.
So that was our plan originally. Now you've mentioned Rinku over there, you've mentioned his price as well. Did you see that coming?
No, we didn't think it'll be at such a price point. We actually budgeted more than double because we had one other right corner in mind and I think he went way over budget than many people expected. And that's the auction dynamics, right? I think when certain teams want the same player, prices get inflated. So when his price went so inflated, we knew what Sunil's preference was first option, and the joint first option for Sunil was certainly Rinku. So we're happy to have Rinku back. He knows us so well. We are very happy with him. He's a great defender. We anyway wanted him back. Even if we had got him at this price and somebody else, we would have taken both because at 21, I think Rinku is an absolute steal. You know, he's got the experience. He's been our vice captain. He's a reliable guy, and now we can build on that because we've saved, like I said, a lot more money than we thought. We can now use that money in the exact way that we thought for tomorrow because हमारा खेल जो है actually कल ही है, and that's our plan. Like I said, if we got someone else, whether we got a Guman or a Sachin or a Naveen, वो एक bonus है. We didn't plan for it. We allowed ourselves and we pushed ourselves to a point where I think team ka balance was going to be very difficult if we went for them at that price point because we still need to build a team, and Raiders we already have a bunch and we have more to come in the categories tomorrow as well. So yeah, overall honestly I think the day went as we planned.
So Rinku's back here, he's built here, he's back now with us. Overall, how would you sum today's day?
Yeah, look, I think realistically it went the way exactly that we expected. We have to remember that last time as well, we had certain raiders in mind that were not what fans thought, right? Ajit Chauhan, no one knew about him. Ajit Chauhan became a hero. Rohit Raghav became a hero, right? And we have a few of those hopefully lined up for tomorrow as well. We've identified some really good talents. Fingers crossed that we get those guys, the guys that we want from tomorrow. That was our original plan. Like I said, so therefore I would say plan went 7 out of 10 today. If we had got maybe one of those blockbuster raiders, obviously would have been thrilled, but they were not in our budget. And so we have to be realistic and it's okay. But I think there's a reality check for everyone here. जो fans, चिल्ला रहे हैं प्रदीप या मनिंदर या इनके बारे में, I think a reality has come into the auction where youngsters and guys who are performing are being rewarded, and it's nice to see the entire auction room reward performers, reward youngsters, and think about the future as well. So some crazy bids and a very interesting day overall.
And that is what we are looking at as well.
Yeah.
You mentioned the number 7 and that is exactly the number we are looking at. 7 slots बाकी अब हमारे पास. कल का plan क्या है?
Spend money wisely, attack exactly who we had in plan. Today when the plan went so offbeat, when we were chasing a raider, to be honest, we were a little bit worried because अगर हम 1 crore के ऊपर एक raider को दिया, तो actually our plans for tomorrow go completely haywire. So now in some sense we're actually back on track, and I think you guys need to realize that there is a plan with the budget that we had in mind, and because we saved money on Rinku, it looked like we had a different plan. But now we go back to what our original plan was actually, with a little bit extra money. So yeah.
So 7 more seats to fill, and for you guys, trust the process, trust the plan. हम प्लान के साथ आया, जिस तरह से सुहेल ने मेंशन किया कि पिछली बार अजीत चौहान कोई नहीं जानता था, लेकिन अब अजीत को हर कोई जानता है, तो कल शायद हम कोई ऐसे ही खिलाड़ी को पिक करेंगे जिनको सुपरस्टार हम बनाएंगे.
Absolutely. Thanks guys.